Welcome to this peaceful moment, a space just for you. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and let your body relax. We're here together, and this time is yours. Begin by taking a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise as you breathe in fresh air. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this moment. Feel the weight of the day ahead gently lift away with each breath you take. You are here, in this moment, and that's all that matters right now. There's no rush, no pressure, just you and your breath. Let the peace of this moment fill you, and know that you are exactly where you need to be. Now let's set an intention for today. Think about the energy you want to bring into your day. How do you want to feel? What do you want to embrace? Picture your day unfolding before you, filled with peace, positivity, and calm. Imagine moving through the day with ease, feeling confident, joyful, and grateful. Feel that vision grow brighter with each breath you take. I invite you to repeat these words after me. Let them sink deeply into your mind and heart. I am ready for a peaceful and fulfilling day. Allow these words to resonate with you. As you breathe in their meaning. And as you breathe out, release any doubts or worries that might be lingering. You are ready. You are enough. Pause for a moment here. Reflect on how that affirmation feels. Does it bring a sense of calm or excitement? Notice how your body responds to this thought. Let the affirmation settle into every part of you, and feel the warmth of self-acceptance grow with each breath. As we continue, let's reflect on the blessings of today. You may not have all the answers yet, but that's okay. Today is an opportunity. Every moment offers a fresh start. You are worthy of this fresh start, and you are worthy of all the good things coming your way. Now take a moment to express gratitude. Think of one thing you are grateful for today. It could be a person, a place, an experience, or even something simple like the breath you are taking right now. Feel the gratitude fill your heart. Let it expand with every breath, like a warm golden light radiating from within you. This gratitude is a reminder of all the good in your life. And as you breathe in, know that you are enough just as you are. You don't need to change anything to be worthy of love, peace, and happiness. You are deserving of all the wonderful things life has to offer. Know that you are complete and whole in this moment, and you have everything you need within you. Now, let's affirm the strength within you. You are strong, capable, and resilient. Life may bring challenges, but you have the strength to navigate them with grace and ease. Repeat after me. I am strong, and I am capable of handling anything that comes my way today. Breathe in this affirmation, letting it settle deep into your core. Feel the power of these words fill you up as you prepare for the day ahead. Take a slow, deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any fear or uncertainty that might be lingering. You are stronger than you realize. Trust in your ability to handle whatever comes next, knowing that you are guided and supported. Now let's pause for a moment of reflection. In the stillness, ask yourself, what is my intention for today? Listen quietly for the answer. It may be a word, a feeling, or even an image that comes to mind. Whatever it is, know that it's exactly what you need right now. Let this intention guide you throughout your day and carry it with you in your heart. Now, let's focus on self-love. You are worthy of love, kindness, and respect, not only from others, but also from yourself. Treat yourself with the same love and compassion that you so freely offer others. Say to yourself, quietly in your mind, I love and accept myself completely just as I am. Breathe in this affirmation and feel the love you have for yourself expand with each breath. You are beautiful. You are enough. You are worthy. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, feel any judgment or criticism slip away. Allow yourself to be free from any harsh self-talk. You are deserving of peace, happiness, and love. You are deserving of your own kindness. Let's move forward with a deep sense of confidence. Today is full of opportunities, and you are ready to embrace them. Whether big or small, every step you take today is part of your journey. You have the strength to pursue your dreams, the courage to make decisions, and the wisdom to know when to pause. Repeat after me. I trust in my ability to create the day I desire. I trust in my decisions and my actions. Feel the certainty of these words grow within you. As you breathe in trust, and as you breathe out, release any doubts. You are the creator of your own experiences, and today you will choose positivity. Every challenge, every encounter is an opportunity for growth. No matter what comes your way, you have the strength to handle it with grace and peace. As we approach the end of this session, take a moment to breathe deeply. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let any remaining tension leave your body. Allow yourself to relax fully, knowing that you are ready to face the day with an open heart. Now, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself, for this moment of stillness, for the peace you've cultivated, and for the positive affirmations you've embraced. Carry this feeling with you into your day. Let it guide you. Let it nourish you. As you prepare to open your eyes and return to your surroundings, remember that you can always return to this calm, peaceful place within you. It's always here, always available. Take one final deep breath. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. You are ready to begin your day with positivity, strength, and love. You are enough, and you are worthy of all the good that comes your way today.